Hi, I'm Ivaldo Albuquerque, and today I want to talk to you about the pair Euro British Pound. But before we take a look at that pair, let's look at the pair Euro Swiss franc. You can see here that this flat line indicates that the Swiss National Bank is intervening in the market to prevent the Swiss franc from strengthening against the euro. In order to do that, the Swiss National Bank is buying euros. And as I told you last week, I wrote an article on Wednesday. The Swiss National Bank is accumulating a lot of euros by intervening in the markets. But they're using those euros to buy British pound. So essentially, the Swiss National Bank is shorting the pair Euro British pound. So I told you last week that it was a good idea to follow the Swiss National Bank to short the Euro British pound. So let's take a look at the chart of Euro British pound. Just want to do a follow-up on that article. So here's a daily chart of the Euro British pound, and you can see that the pair is in a downtrend. And I told you to short the pair on Wednesday, and so far this trade has been working. Notice that the pair failed to move above this downtrend line, and there's another downtrend line here at top. So there's a lot of resistance around 0.82. I expect to see a lot of selling pressure if the euro rallies towards the level. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart, and I just want to show you that there is a great downside potential on this trade. And we're going to look at going back at 5 years, and basically you can see here that the pair has just broken to the downside of a massive descending triangle. Usually when you see something like this, the pair tends to move by the same distance between the top of the height of the triangle. In this case, it goes from 0.9 to 0.82. So you can project the distance to the downside from the breakout point. So as you can see, there's a lot of downside risk for this pair. So it's a good idea to short the pair Euro British pound on rallies. As I said, there's this downtrend line provides a lot of resistance, and I expect this pair to remain limited to 0.82. So if there's any rallies to that level, I would short this pair because it looks like there's a lot more downside potential for this trade. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.